हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आप सबका सहारा अधिकार न्यूज़ चैनल में स्वागत है। हमारे साथ आज जो गेस्ट है वो हाई कोर्ट के बहुत ही सीनियर लॉयर सहादेवन जी है, जिन्होंने कांग्रेस के अध्यक्ष राहुल गांधी जी को एक लेटर लिखा है। इस लेटर में उन्होंने क्या क्या लिखा है हम उनसे जानने की कोशिश करेंगे। सर, सहारा
Today, I am here before the Sahara
अधिकार
Adhikar TV channel, and I want to submit certain points before the people of India. That I myself is the senior advocate of Bombay High Court and also ex-vice president of Metropolitan Magistrate Court Bar Association Mumbai, Vice President of Thana Jilla Congress Committee, Thane, Maharashtra, and Senior Patron of Srinarayana Mandira Samiti, Mumbai, and member of Social, Political, Cultural Wings of Mumbai. The normal status people. One is the Nehru family, and the others are the Tata and Birla. Rest of others are the acquired status, even the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi.
Sir, what is the intention of writing this letter to Mr. Rahul Gandhi, as there is BJP ruling now and from every front BJP is targeting the move of Rahul Gandhi ji. You have seen that from the time Narendra Modi ji has become the PM of India, Indian economy has gone down, GDP has gone down. So what is the intention of writing you a letter to Mr. Rahul Gandhi ji?
Yeah, because India is not be the India not since the 5 or 6 years. India stood up before the all world nations. India is given the position that the beloved leader of India, Indira Priyadarshini. At that time, we were not having a 1 gram of grain to eat the people. So she did the things in a very better way, and for that purpose, in that family, Rahulji, you are coming. So my attention and what I want to give you the attention before you, that you please hear, whenever some difficulties are arising, you should call for a discussion. That is why, while Jawaharlal Nehru was in the jail, there was at the time for the birthday gift to his daughter Indira Priyadarshini, what he want to do, because he was in the British jail. So he is written a letter that is called the birthday letter. So in that birthday letter, he is written, Betty, one day you will get a chance to rule this country. At that time, you have to do, these are the things.
Sir, my last question for you. Every Congress senior leader like Bhai Jagtap ji and Nizamuddin Rai ji and many
He has written a letter that is called the birthday letter. That is the gift for the birthday to Indira Priyadarshini. In that letter, he is written that only by discussion a little bit of truth could come out, not by the sermons. Betty, whenever you get a difficulty, you call the meeting and do the things under the light of sun. So these are all to be seen, Rahulji. Whenever you are getting some difficulty, you call all the leaders, irrespective of the community or any religion or whatever it may be. If they want, Motilal ji, अंग्रेजी वालों से पूछा तुम लोग को कितना गोनी पाउंड चाहिए ये भारत छोड़ के जाने के लिए। ऐसा ही सम्माननीय वंश में जन्म लेके राहुल जी आपको गर्व है। इंडिया को कश्मीर से कन्याकुमारी तक एकदम मददरत सेकुलर स्टेट करके पूरा जात एक ही है, कोई जात नहीं है। वन कास्ट, वन रिलीजन, वन गॉड फॉर मैन. Attain freedom through education and gain strength through organization. There is no Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vamsha, Shudra. These are all man-made. Why it is come? Because the education is very less, That is why people are thinking in such a way. Educated people there in the South India, the casteism is very less. There only the quarrel is going on in the politics. So, Sir Rahulji, once more I am requesting you to take over the position of the Indian National Congress as the president of the Congress, and I want you be seen as after the election you be the president of the Indian National Congress.
सर आप जनता से क्या अपील करना चाहते हो? हमारे
जनता
चैनल
से
में
अपील करने का है, जनता को हमारा एक हिंदी पिक्चर है, रोटी कपड़ा मकान।